I was hesitant while purchasing this product because the stims made me nervous. Also because products like pre-workouts sometimes give me an allergic reaction to something in them, my skin starts hurting badly. However, when this product arrived on time 2 days after my order from Amazon, I give it a whirl. I started with 1 scoop 20 minutes before heading to the gym. The first thing I noticed was the taste. It was phenomenal, and the mixability was a cinch. It all dissolved with a few quick stirs. This product kicked in within 30 minutes and soon I was focused and driven. I was nervous about the stims still, but it was soon forgotten as I had the most motivated workout of the year. I never got the shakes or jitters and I fell asleep on time that night. Since then I have increased from 1 scoop to 1.5 and my workouts have become more manageable and enjoyable. I stack a scoop of creatine with it now and I remain truly impressed. It's been 3 weeks and I am back to purchase another jar. Good job Jacked Factory on a good product. Fantastic stuff. Gives you that boost of energy you're looking for. By far the best tasting pre-workout I have ever purchased. They even sent me a free 10 servings sample of another flavor that I also enjoy. I was using ON's Gold Standard before, and I will not be going back. Awesome product at a reasonable price. I've been working out 4 to 5 days a week. NitroSurge has been an amazing drink so far, helping me to stay hydrated and to keep the level of energy throughout my entire routine. It also helps me to shake off the tiredness. 1 scoop lasts about 3 hours, more than enough if you ask me. If I do 2 scoops it will keep me awake for 6 hours after working out, which in my case happens after 9 p.m. Great energy without any jittery feeling or stomach upset. Great for fasted workouts. I add glutamine if I use it for fasted training. I started working out and have been 3 weeks into the routine. I am a single mother, work full-time job and go to the gym after. I never take pre-workout and thought I'd try this based on reviews saying there's no jitters, or crash feeling after. Also for the price, I thought what the heck. It arrived quick and on time and sealed tight, powder was fresh and did not clump at all. It dissolved really good. I took it 20 minutes before gym and I noticed my energy up and I did not feel jitters or itching feeling. I did not feel a bad crash afterwards either. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe.